New video. Today we discuss some more examples on analytic function. So here we have one question: determine given function are analytic or not. First question is 2x plus y 2xy plus iota x square minus y square. So step 1, for determining this function is analytic or not, we check with Cauchy-Riemann equation. For CR equation, step 1, first we have to find out our u and v. If given this is our fz, then u of xy is real variable part. So that is 2xy. Second, Vxy is the part with iota. So here Vxy is this x square minus of y square. Now if we find first derive del u by del x, or we can say ux, partial derivative of u with respect to x. So del u by del x, y treating as constant 2xy, differentiate this respect with respect to x is x gives 1. So gives 1 into 2y. So solution is 2y. Similarly, u of y, uy means del u upon del y. Differentiating partially with respect to y gives 2x. Now we go for v function vx. Partially differentiate v with respect to x gives 2x, and vy partially differentiate with respect to y gives minus of 2y. Now what are our CR equation? CR equation is, you should remember this equation, ux equal to vy and uy equal to v minus of vx. So this is vy, this is v of y, ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus of vx. These are the our CR equation. So we can check ux is 2y and vy is minus 2y. So both are not same. So this is not satisfied. Similarly, 2x equal to minus of 2y. This is also not satisfied. Hence CR equation not satisfied. Then we can say given function is not analytic function. Clear? Next we go another example and we check that given function is analytic or not analytic. One another function, if given f of z equal to x minus iota y upon x square plus y square. Here again we should check that what is our u and v function. We can check very easily. If I say this without iota part, this is my u, and what is my v? My v is given by this y upon x square plus y square. Clear? So if we should write now our u and v, so ux comma y is given by x upon x square plus y square, and vxy is given by y upon x square plus y square. Next step, same thing, we have to find out CR variables. So for Cauchy-Riemann equation, we have to find out the partial derivatives for both the function with respect to x and y. So here ux is partial derivative with respect to x is given by, when we differentiate partially with respect to x, denominator gives whole square, the derivative, because we can partially differentiate with respect to our formula, u by v. So v square, derivative of u is 1 into v x square plus y square minus derivative of u as it is, derivative of v is 2x. So 2x into x is x 2x square. Similarly, we find out u y also. So u y is same function partial derivative with respect to y, x square plus y square whole square, derivative of x is 0 because it's constant. So second, only the second term will come, that it gives derivative of this y square is 2x. So this is 2xy, 2y into x of minus. Now here same derivative of v with respect to x given by x square plus y square, derivative of v is y is 0 minus of this 2x into y. Now vy is, there is whole square, same x square plus y square whole square, derivative of y is 1. So first term x square plus y square into 1 minus y as it is, derivative of y is 2y. Now we can check ux. What is our CR equation? CR equation I should write here. Ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus of vx. This, if this CR equation is satisfied, we say our given function is analytic. Now what is our ux? Ux is given by, this is x square plus y square minus 2x square. So it gives y square minus x square. Vy also we can check, this also gives 2y square minus y square is minus of y square. So x square minus of y square. In uy equal to minus vx, we can check minus 2xy minus 2xy both are same. CR equation. One more example I will show you, equal to z of q. Then we have to check either it is analytic or it is not analytic. Then we everybody know that z equal to x plus iota y. So z cube is equal to, first we have to simplify it, x plus iota y whole cube. We have to open this whole cube. When we simplify, we are using the formula, I should write at the corner, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So this is the formula for opening the whole cube. You already learned this previously. So now we use same formula here for opening x plus iota y whole cube. So when we open, this gives x cube plus iota cube y cube plus 3x into iota y in bracket x plus iota y. Clear? When we simplify it, we will rearrange it. It gives the value x cube. See, iota square into iota. Iota square is minus 1. So minus, this gives iota y cube. Clear? Because iota squared gives minus 1, only iota remaining, plus 3 iota x y, x when we open this is x square, plus again 3 iota into iota is iota square x y square. Again rewrite, we can check, this is x cube, this iota square gives minus 1, so it will become minus 3x y square, plus we take iota outside, then it gives 3x square y minus of y cube. Clear? So here we separate our x, u and v. Here we separate our u and v. You can see that this terms gives our u and other terms gives our v function. So this is our u and this is our v. Now we want to check this given function is satisfy CR equation or not. So we have to find out all the relation, partial relation for checking the CR equation. First relation is ux. Ux is given by partial derivative of x. So 3x square minus 3y square, because x gives 1. U of y, uy is first term is constant 0 minus 3x, y square gives 2y. Clear? So it gives minus 6xy. Similarly, we can find vx, del v by del x. With this, when we this partially derivative with respect to x, it gives 3, x square gives 2x, so 3 2s are 6 x y. Then v y, it gives partially derivative with respect to y, this gives 3 x square, y gives 1 minus 3 y square. Now we check ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. So ux is 3x square minus y square, vy is also 3x square minus 3y square, uy is minus 6xy, this is plus 6xy, hence is 3x square minus 3y square and it gives 6xy. So what happened? Hence CR equation satisfied. So we can say this function is analytic function. Okay. Clear? So that's all. I can solve some example for analytic function. Thank you very much.